Hi guys, so today we're checking out the exterior door hinge covers in black, fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers. So if you're in search of some small but very noticeable and affordable mods for your Wrangler that's going to really make a difference as far as the aesthetic is concerned, this is going to be a great choice to check out. Now these door hinge covers are going to do a really good job at creating a big contrast to your Wrangler, especially if you have a bright color like this orange one that we have here. Now these are even great to add a little bit of protection to your door hinge or to cover up any imperfections if you've gotten a nick in the door hinges while you were on the trail or even on the street. Now these will come in a gloss black finish, which I personally really like. I think it matches very well with the clear coat on the Wrangler itself and on that factory paint, and it's going to add a very sleek look. Now they're going to be made of a durable plastic material which will definitely hold up to the elements, and they're also going to be attached with 3M tape, making it a very straightforward install. Now it is going to be automotive grade, so you can ensure that they are not going to go anywhere. Now I would like to mention that this is going to come in a full set of 8, so if you have a 4-door you are completely covered, but if you have a 2-door like us, you will have a couple of extras, which is definitely great if you take any damage to one and want to replace it. Now with that being said, these are going to come in at roughly $50 for the set of 8, making this pretty affordable for a small mod. Now in comparison to some other choices on the page, there really aren't a lot of other options for hinge covers or any hinge exterior trim. Historically though, some other choices that I've seen before are usually going to bolt over the hinge or they're going to replace the hinge. So in my personal opinion, I think that this again is very straightforward and you don't have to pay a lot of money for just replacing the hinge. Now with that being said, these are going to be again incredibly easy to install at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it's probably going to take you about 10-15 minutes to get the job done. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. So the first step to this process is just to make sure that the hinges are clean, and then after they're clean, what you can do is take the 2 pieces for one of the hinges, and we can peel the 3M tape backing off. We're gonna have a couple of pieces. So after all the backing is off, we're gonna position this over our hinge, making sure that it's centered, and then we're just gonna give it a good press. Now we can do the same thing for this bottom piece here. We're gonna have 1 strip, and then we can just cover that up as well. This one's gonna kind of clip on. Give it a good press. You wanna probably hold it for about 30 seconds just to make sure it's adhering properly. But then after that, we can go down and do the same thing on our second hinge. So once you have one side on, you can do the same thing on the other side, and if you have a 4-door, you can do the same process on the back. So that's going to wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos and products just like this, and always keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.